what do you try to fish for right here? What is it? Oh, okay. I thought it was like pink eye or something like that. There's a little smelt.
Я читаю 11. Это еще не сильный ветер. Да. Бывает сильнее, просто сильный ветер, когда я не знал, на куда я его держал. А, Влад, не надо много видов, реально.
Ага.
Вот то, что у вас только лежит, ты звук сделал? Да?
Yeah, I got it. I had 3 or 4 carbon bikes. You talk about light. This thing feels like a tank when I get on it.
Right on, it's a nice bike.
Yeah.
Oh no. Broke it. Have a good day.
See ya.
Back till after the end of the season. Do you have the napkins?
No, I don't.
Where's the bathroom? Do you know where it's at? Oh, fuck me.